Jong Sutnga-Saipung constituency Kong Santa Mary Shilla Lembat Deputy Commissioner ka East Jante Hill District Ushivan Shawasti IS Lembat ki he sarkar ki he ka NHAI hinnen kasngi kila lek panjurep ya ki jingpyntrei ya ka surok National Highway 6 Bthah Narpuh bat kilala bawatla ka kam kalaya chakamat Henry ka jingpyntrei ya ka surok Bthah Narpuh ka suki palat Nakaliang ka Kong Santa Mary Shilla bat Deputy Commissioner kila Bthah Ruyu Project Director Jong ka NHAI ba uday ban pynbun shushu ki nongtrei bat pynbun ru ki kor ki bon ki machine ba ka kam kan kam kloy kila Bthah ru ban bu ye ki signboard bat ki night visibility ha ki jaka ba bu jingma khamtam ha ki tu ki jingking ki bala julor palan ki ba la ban bu jingma ki jing embryo ba ki banyat kali khamtam ka por men mit ki i bat kin long ki ba husiar bat atkar ha ba poi ki jaka ki ba bu jingma ka jingpyntrei ka te ka surang hanar po kadan haki ar Bthah ha ka ba ki dan ki Bthah bala shna da ka dobilan badan pat ki Bthah bala siang da ka rong surang nakaliang Deputy Commissioner ulong ba ka jingpyntrei ka surok ka ba ha ki Bthah ki ba da ka dobilan kampat da biang badan kam ban le khamha nakaliang Project Director jong ka NHAI Anan Chauhan ulakular hakmat ka MLA bat Deputy Commissioner ba sanang pynbun shushu ki nongtrei bat kumju ru ki kor ki bor bat maramat bat shna ka surak NH-6 Narpuh ha ka bedai bat ka jingmam dan ki signboard lani ki night visibility ha ki jingking bat ki jaka babu jingma ulong ba ki nongtrei ki ladep bu min shwa bat kular ba on sabathap yang ye ki nongtrei ba kinbo ye ki signboard bat ki night visibility ha ka bedai bat ka surak NH-6 ha sorba clearian Project Director ke NHAI ulong ba ka surak ha cleariat khamtam ha ki jaka yo ki julor man kapor khamtam ha kapor lior bat slam bat kanie kadai na kadaw ka jingbam biang bha ki nala tuj bat ulong ba on sa shna bha no e ki nala tuj ha clearian bat kanie kan shimpor kumba arbanai Kiblay don tingkan lang ha katay ka jingna jurem ki kin thupru ka DC-EJHD Hills District ka kong JU Kharpuri ikong Dona Lorin Kharkongor bana katanat District Disaster Management u Executive Magistrate ubadayru Junior Engineer jong katanat Water Resources uba Respond Tongper u DSP uba S Paslin MP u Sketrishnong Sonaperdi uba daya pher bha lamare bat ki he jong ka NHAI
Start your work tomorrow. We will send our magistrate. Police came that day or not?
उस दिन आई थी सर उस दिन पता होता ना कि जाएगा अपना 10-15 किलोमीटर तभी लगेगा हाँ कुछ काम किया फिर अपन एक साइड क्योंकि छोटा काम है दिखता नहीं है अगर अपन इसमें लगा देंगे आप मैडम बोलेंगे कि यार 50 किलोमीटर के स्ट्रेच में 2 किलोमीटर ही किया आपने बाकी 48 पहले जाएगी
यहाँ पे आपका बिटुमिनस है कि यहाँ पे भी कंक्रीट वाला है
कंक्रीट वाला है
very difficult.
ये टर्निंग है वहीं पे ट्रक फंसे रहते हैं बिल्कुल ही खराब है इस तरीके के स्ट्रेचेस अगर हम जल्दी कंप्लीट कर देंगे तो जो हम ब्लॉकेट करते हैं उसके बाद जब ट्रैफिक खुलता है ऐसी जगह पे ट्रक फंसने की वजह से 4-5 घंटे का जाम ज़्यादा लगता है तो अगर ये सारे स्ट्रेचेस जहाँ पे ट्रक फंसने का चांसेस है वो आप पहले कवर कर लेंगे तो हमारा ब्लॉकेट करने में भी आसान रहेगा एटलीस्ट उसके बाद के 12 घंटे में जाम नहीं लगेगा
What about the drain?
ड्रेन तो मैम जहाँ पे भी रिक्वायरमेंट है वहाँ ड्रेन बना रहे हैं
यहाँ पे ड्रेन है कि नहीं?
नहीं एक्चुअली उस साइड में तो ड्रेन का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है ना
कलवर्ट साइड देयर इज अ कलवर्ट
बिल्कुल साइड
Will be the same with level? When it's not situation. Very good. National Highway 6. Right now we are in the bridge of Patarkona, and we have seen that the work is going on, but it's a little bit slow and not satisfying to the fact that the concrete work is not being it's a little slow pace, and we are just hoping the next few months as being said by the PD of NHAI. They said that they will engage more of the machines, and we hope that by February end or March, the work should be completed. And the bridge section also, the repair work is going on, as you can see now what's happening. And also for the other part of the more improvement work which will be coming, the sanctions are already been sanctioned, 90 crore, and the tender has been floated now. We are just waiting for the contractors to start the work.
So we had a review meeting today with NHAI at the DC office, followed by the joint inspection to monitor the ongoing repair and renovation work of NH-6. So we have observed that the work till Sonapur tunnel is going on in good pace, but still the pace of this cement concrete section, there is a section for cement concrete where the work is still not satisfactory. The pace of work is not satisfactory. So we have directed NHAI also to engage more machines and more workers to improve the pace of the work. And also there are some bridges like the one we are standing now, so they are not in good condition. For that also NHAI has done a separate tender. New contractor has been engaged for that. So the work for the repair of the bridge has already started. They have given assurance that once they finish this bridge, the next bridge also they will start after 10 days. So the pace of work looks okay, but only thing is the cement concrete section which needs to be improved further.
Jowai Ratachara stretch, it is 100-kilometer stretch, in which 75 kilometer is bituminous work and 25 kilometer is cement concrete work. Bituminous concrete work is going on pace, but as sir, DC sir told that cement concrete work is to be accelerated. For this, contractor has informed to install 2 big plants for concrete work. And one plant has been established and second is going to establish from first week of January. At 2 locations, cement concrete work will be started. And about this bituminous work is going as of now 25 kilometer around bituminous work has done out of 75 kilometer. Around 33-35% work has been completed, bituminous work. So we are expecting to complete this bituminous work within a 2 months. And cement concrete work will take time, maybe March end, but I assure you that before rainy season, before monsoon season, all work will be completed. Thank you.